Today, I replaced the Samsung Galaxy J7 battery for Mama. I phoned the Samsung service center, and they require me to go to the center and leave the phone there for a few days, which is rather inconvenient. Another phone repair shop also says the same thing and wants a repair bill of Ringgit Malaysia 140 ringgit. So I decided to repair it myself. I bought the original Samsung battery through Lazada costing only Ringgit Malaysia 30 ringgit. The new battery arrived 5 days later. I use a heat blower to melt the glue around the casing. Using a plastic spatula, I slowly pry open the casing. I gently remove the flexible screen attachment wires. Then I removed 17 tiny little screws. The bulging old battery was replaced with the new one. I used double-sided tape to attach back the casing and screwed back the 17 tiny screws. When I switch on the button, it works perfectly. Praise the Lord.